closer to 10 p.m. This could easily explain why neighbors didn't hear the shots. The ambient sounds of televisions, radios, and stereos at that time of night could easily have muffled them. Next, investigators wanted to test Katie's nightgown that was found on the floor next to Joe's body. Pulling the trigger creates a small explosion when the primer ignites the gunpowder, which in turn propels the bullet. Gases from that explosion create a small cloud about 3 to 5 feet in diameter that usually wafts back over the shooter.
The gases from the primer escape from the firearm through any available opening. In the form of a gas or a vapor, it then solidifies into tiny particles which are deposited on the hands, clothing, or the immediate proximity of the discharge.
Using an aluminum disc with a permanent adhesive, scientist Skip Schwobel lifted samples from the surface of the nightgown. Next, he removed the stud from its plastic holder and placed it inside a scanning electron microscope. The particles are magnified and scanned to reveal their chemical makeup. On Katie Doyle's gown were thousands of particles, seen here magnified 4,000 times. They were made up of lead, antimony, and barium, the chemical components of gunpowder.
It's not natural in the environment. When those three particles are fused together, that's unique to gunshot residue.
Schwobel also found gunshot residue on the bedding next to the body.
Gunshot residue is going to get on the bed and on items on the bed. Katie said that before she left that room and went to the other room to go to sleep, she took her nightgown off, threw it on the bed. She doesn't recall where she threw it on the bed. It was dark.